So this is my hair after washing my hair with the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. You can tell that my hair is really clean, and also you can tell that my curl pattern is beginning to pop. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this conditioner. It's called Being Dream Curl Smoothie conditioner. So I'll take it like this and take it and distribute it throughout my hair.